I'm happy to join with you today in what will go down in history as the greatest demonstration for peace in the history of our nation. The Second World War took place since 1939 to 1945. It took away the lives of 50 million. The Second World War was the most destructive war in the history of all mankind. Well, you might think this is a story of others, but it could also be the story of us. The Korean War took place since 1950 to 1953. Even though we are all from the same bloodline, we had to fight each other. During the Korean War, about 990 million Koreans were sacrificed in the battlefield, and lots of people lost their homes and families. As we hear, we must make the pledge that we shall always march ahead for the brighter history of Korea. We cannot turn back. I say to you today, my friends, so even though we face the difficulties of today and tomorrow, I still have a dream. It is a dream deeply rooted in the dream of all mankind. I have a dream that one day we will live in a world completely free from war. We hold this truth to be self-evident that we deserve to live in peace. I have a dream that one day there will be no more people who got killed in wars. Have you seen a child who is crying alone in desolate battlefields? They lost their parents without any food and shelter. We're promised that we have to make the world without such sufferings. I have a dream today. I have a dream that one day we don't have to hear the cries of comfort women because of injustice being done to them. The war brought this insanity on all of us. There is no question that the war should be avoided at all costs. I have a dream that one day there will be no more nation that divided like Korea. Korea is the only nation divided by such tragic civil war, and it is the time to spell the name of this divided nation. Let peace ring from every hill and molehill of the world, from every mountainside, let peace ring. Never ever on this earth such atrocity should be done on any of us. So let us work together forever for the peace of all nations. Thank you.